What the hell? This car cut. This car cut across two lane. Yeah. Some people are just impatient, bro. They do not have patience. Anything in life.
Fuck, man.
Wait. At the inter at the intersection, the car didn't check for incoming traffic and darted out just as I was approaching at a speed in my semi truck. Despite my best effort to stop, I could not avoid the collision and ended up hitting the car. Yeah, his
God
fault in a
damn,
way,
man. Boy, with a muscle, ain't shit to
because
say
you
about.
just can't get